Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut templates not showing, not showing on TikTok. So as you can see, there is this CapCut template right here, and I can see the button here. But if you cannot see the button, please first of all make sure that the person who uploaded that CapCut with a template didn't re-uploaded the video, and basically if they re-uploaded, there will not be any CapCut template button. Now if you sure that they uploaded with that, all you do is go ahead and on search bar and write down CapCut templates, and now you're gonna choose any video basically, and as you can see there's no CapCut here because it was re-uploaded. Now this is the CapCut template which actually works, and now if you still don't see the template, the button, what you want to do is go to your account right here, and you want to actually switch accounts, because maybe on this account it doesn't work. So all you have to do is click on those three lines, click settings and privacy, scroll down until you see switch account right here, and you're gonna click on that and switch to another account or create a new one. Now, if that also doesn't work and doesn't help with this problem, I suggest you to reinstall the TikTok. So you go ahead and basically hold on TikTok your finger and click remove app, and then click delete app. And after that, you're gonna go ahead to the App Store and download it again. So if this will help, then please leave a like and on this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.